Hello, welcome. In this tutorial you are going to be seeing how to make the underhand cornrow in details. So you're going to see it close up, and it is really nice and a better protective hairstyle, and it lasts longer than the regular cornrow. So to start off, after making your section, you're going to divide that section into two equal halves, following the curve or the line you want the cornrow to be. So after that, you're going to proceed to start braiding just as you can see in the video. So I am going to let this play slowly, almost at regular speed, so that you can see very well how it is done. So it's going to get closer than this, and all the details you need you're going to see in this video. Enjoy. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the tutorial, and if you want to see how I finished the hairstyle, then you have to go over to the full video where I showed everything, every other thing, and how I added the ponytail, the braided ponytail. It looks nice. That video will be attached to the end of this one, so if you click on the link at the end of this video, it will take you to that video so that you can see the whole tea if you want to see beyond how to make underhand braids, this type of underhand braids. So enjoy, my love.
El mejor momento del año, diciembre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Mañana Blanca viene siempre. En Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, diciembre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, de siempre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Mañana Blanca viene siempre. En Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, de siempre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde.